This is a Saberforge Silver Knight lightsaber hilt. It's a custom saber that's inspired by the design of the Imperial Knight's lightsaber in Star Wars Legends. So it's this gorgeous two-toned hilt, you guys. It's predominantly metallic silver in color, and it's got this very large kind of silver-colored shroud to it. And there's also the emitter shroud. And it's a very elegant, very simple design, but it's two-toned. So it's a lot of silver, but it also has a lot of black accents to it. Gorgeous black grip section and different black greeblies and other black accents throughout the hilt. So if we start at the top, we have this slanted emitter, which is, a very common, very kind of iconic feature of several of the more famous lightsabers. So like the Skywalker lightsaber, the Darth Vader lightsaber, have that kind of cool slanted or angled emitter. And then beneath the emitter shroud, we have, kind of the lower part of the emitter section, and it has these kind of black accents to it. They're kind of indented a little bit. And this design, it looks a little bit similar to some of the Saberforge blade plugs, actually. Now moving down, we have the blade retention screw right here. We have an additional retention screw below that. And then on the rear of the top of the kind of emitter section, there's this black greebly right here, and it is removable, so it does have a screw. There's no knurling on it, so this is completely flat. And that just kind of shows you how you can remove that. But it looks cooler to have it kind of attached to the hilt. We've got a little bit of a taper right here. You could use this kind of as a choke point for spinning, so that's great. And below that we have the kind of central area of the shroud, and then we have below that the black grip section, and it's got these nice grooves to it, these sort of flat grooves, very easy to grip, very easy to handle. And then on the rear we have the two switch holes here. And then moving down, all of this is quite smooth in texture. And then we have the cover tech wheel here. A little bit of an additional kind of black groove that really, ties in with the other black accents of the hilt. And this teeny tiny kind of flat thingy here, I don't think it's easily removable. Oh, I guess it is. Maybe it's like the other one. Yeah, I think I can, so I can unscrew this, you guys. And there, we can remove that. But, again, looks better with it installed. So let's kind of put it back. It is a nice little design touch, though. And the kind of shape of this little screw at the bottom, it really is kind of an echo of the larger one at the top. And then moving down to the pommel, we have this removable pommel. It's got this kind of lip to it. And you've got the threading here. Got quite a bit of threading, actually. There's the inside of the hilt. It's empty. You can see it's all black. And this pommel, it has this D-ring on the bottom. It's got this little dome part to it that the D-ring attaches to. And then there's the venting on the pommel as well. So overall, this is a gorgeous hilt. Very simple design, but it's got that simple elegance. It's not trying to do too many things at once, but at the same time it has these kind of small design features, from this little piece at the bottom to this kind of larger black greebly at the top. It's got some nice details to it as well. So it's a sweet hilt, you guys. Unfortunately, it's discontinued, but anyway, this has been a look at the Saberforge Silver Knight lightsaber hilt. Discontinued, but it is a custom saber that's inspired by the design of the Imperial Knight's lightsaber in Star Wars Legends.